Most of the voice readers sounds like robots, but today I will recommend you a tool that generate realistic human-like voices, with Google and Amazon's voice engines. Here are some samples for you.
Live the life of your dreams. Be brave enough to live the life of your dreams according to your vision and purpose instead of the expectations and opinions of others.
If you want to be happy, do not dwell in the past, do not worry about the future, focus on living fully in the present.
It's really quite close to a human voice, isn't it? A lot of users who have used it speak highly of VoiceBuddy.
As a matter of fact, VoiceBuddy works in only 3 simple steps. All you need to do is 1. Select your language and voice. 2. Paste your text into VoiceBuddy. 3. Click to generate your audio. In a matter of minutes, VoiceBuddy will fire out a brand new audio file that sounds incredibly human. Best of all, there's no learning curve. When it comes to using VoiceBuddy, it's great for experienced marketers and newbies alike. But don't take our word for it. You can listen to some samples right here on this page. Also, you can see a full-fledged demo of VoiceBuddy in action below as well. However, when you review all the details on this page, you'll see why so many people love VoiceBuddy. It's because VoiceBuddy includes 141 voices to choose from, 33 languages to choose as well, a user-friendly dashboard, the simple yet powerful text-to-speech editor that lets you set the emphasis, pitch, speed of speech, pauses, and more. And that's only a handful of items you'll get access to when you sign up to get your own VoiceBuddy account today. Plus, VoiceBuddy is 100% cloud-based, so there's nothing for you to install. It works on every computer where there's internet. But the main reason you'll love VoiceBuddy is that not only will it save you thousands of dollars in voiceover costs, but VoiceBuddy delivers every time, on time, without any objections or nasty attitudes that you sometimes get from freelancers. It's as simple as pasting your text, making a few adjustments that you feel necessary, and VoiceBuddy will give you a brand new, naturally sounding audio file in a matter of minutes. Oh, and I also didn't mention how you can use VoiceBuddy to help you make a full-time income as well, which you will see all the details for below. With that being said, go ahead and scroll down and view all the details on this page. And once you're done, make sure to sign up for your copy of VoiceBuddy today. You'll need to act fast though, because the price of VoiceBuddy is going up every day. And once this launch period ends, it's going to monthly pricing.